This file belongs to Microsoft DirectX software, which is usually used by various games and graphics programs. First, let's run built-in System File Checker. Right-click on Windows button and select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt environment, type in the given command and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. Now let's install updates for Microsoft DirectX. Download needed tool from the given website address. You will be offered to install recommended programs. Remove the ticks from pre-selected entries if you do not want to install them. Click Next DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer button to download the installer on your PC. Open the setup once the download is finished. Click I accept the agreement button in the DirectX setup window. Remove the tick from Install the Bing bar option. If you leave it pre-selected, your browser's settings will be changed. Click Next button to start update procedure. Now let's reinstall the troublesome program. Click on Windows button, type in Control Panel and press Enter. In newly opened window, click on Programs and Features option. Locate the program in the list, click on it and select to uninstall and then confirm the action. After uninstallation, reinstall the program from the original source. Some programs have a repair feature. So, if you click the program in the list and see this option, you should take advantage of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.